Hey everyone, welcome once again my YouTube channel Speak Up English. Today I'm working in a factory. This is a liver tonic and I have to fill 500 ml bottles. We fill it using a measuring mug. While filling, we will use a funnel so that it can be filled easily. After filling the bottles, we will put caps on them and then wash them. After washing, we will wipe the bottles with the clean cloths. Then we will put a white cap on them. And after that, we will place a red measuring cap on the top. Look guys, this is how it will look after getting ready. And then we will send it for marketing. You guys, this work may look easy to you, but it is not that easy. It takes a lot of time. I don't know about the other ladies, but in my life, I have to struggle a lot. Many times I get upset with myself. Think guys, I wake up at 6 in the morning. After waking up, I get my children ready and send them to school. Then I have to do all the household chores or household work. After finishing the housework, I come to the factory and work here too. Then in the evening, I go back home, cook food, and help my children with their schoolwork. It is not a big thing, of course, everyone works, but they get something in return for their work. But in my life, from morning till evening, there is only work and work. No money at all, even not even enough to fulfill my and my children needs. Think guys, I have 15 of us in my family and how I manage. That is why I started this YouTube channel, that maybe I can do something for myself and for my children.